Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, my village, my English, and my name is Sapna. So guys, in this video I am going to discuss about that I live in the village and can I speak English. So it's a very interesting topic that today I am discussing with you. If you live in the city or village and you can speak English or not, it doesn't matter where you live. What the matter is your effort, your dedication, and why do you want to learn this language. It's matter because English is a language and there is no relation between the village or city. Still there are so many people in the city, they can't speak English, they can't able express their ideas in English, but it may be they don't have need to improve this skill, to improve this language. No doubt English is a global language, but it doesn't mean that every person in India should need to learn this language. It's depend upon the career, the work, and your interest. If you are interested to learn this language, then you can learn. If your profession demands to learn this language, then you can learn this language. But if your profession and you don't think there is no need to learn this language, I don't think that it's compulsory to learn it. Now come to the point that I live in the village, can I speak English? It doesn't matter where you live, whether you live in the city, whether you live in the village, but you can speak English. The thing you need to learn this language is only your effort, your dedication, your hard work. Okay, there are so many people in the village can speak English very fluently, and there are so many people who are learning this language because they want to learn something new. They want to learn this language because they have a passion about this language to learn it. So this is only an excuse that I live in the village and I cannot speak English. Because this is a language, I think the person who live in the city, they have more resources than the person who live in the village. They don't have enough resources to learn this language. I think this is the only difference. The people who live in the city, they have environment to learn this language, because in the city maximum number of people want to learn this language, want to enhance their communication skill. And when some people when they see the other people to talk in English language, they impress by their way of talking and try to learn something. But as far as villages are concerned, when the person says someone talking in English, and what they say the person is doing overacting. They are not appreciate their work, but they discourage them. Okay, so I think this is the reason that the people of the city can easily learn this language and the people of village do not learn this language. Another thing that I personally feel that people are not very not be able to create such type of environment around us to improve their communication skill. There are two type of environment. One is our outer environment, which we cannot change. If in my whole family member speak our mother tongue, I cannot push them to learn this language, to learn English language, or to learn any other language, because this is the interest of their. If they want to learn, they can. If they don't want to learn, nobody can pressurize them. But there is another type of environment, that is our inner environment, We have to create our inner environment as per our choice, according to as per what we want. We have to create our environment in which we can improve our communication skill. I think then you can improve wherever you live in the world, you can speak English. But in the modern age, still you don't have enough resources to learn this language. You need only a mobile phone and an internet connection. That's it. It will help you a lot to improve your communication skill, because this is a global world and you can learn each and everything on YouTube. YouTube is a very big platform. Here there is no need to take to any partner, an environment. It will take time to improve your communication skill on YouTube, because when you do each and everything by own self, by their own, then it will take a time, but one day you will be perfect in this language. So please don't do this excuse, don't make this excuse that I live in the village and I can't speak English. I live in a very small village, but if I am able to convey my message to you, it means I can speak. I am able to deliver what I want to say to anyone. So please stop making excuses, do hard work, put your effort, and want to become a fluent speaker. Thank you. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon